Jackson, Coca-Cola.
Y'all already know what I'm gonna say. Hey y'all. Okay, so I'm back. I ain't even back. This is the beginning of a new video. And I never do intros. And I'm so sorry that I don't. So I'm gonna start. I promise I'm gonna start. Thank you all so much for joining me. My name is Amberly. If you don't know, you have joined into AmIAm and Glam. Today we are doing a unboxing video. If you seen my last video, I was super excited because my best friend got me a what is it called, y'all? It is a tripod and a ring light. So now I'm gonna actually open it. It's from UB I'm so excited, y'all. And everything is in this one box, which is pretty neat. Just a whole bunch of boxes inside a box. So we have this smaller box and my stand. Is that it? Nope, that's enough. Okay. So this is what comes in the 3 boxes, and I'm gonna pose right here. Thumbnail. Okay, I like that one. So, so I'm gonna go ahead and open it. Let's start with, since we already see what it is, let's go ahead and open it. Y'all, I just finished 2 laps around the playground, and I came in here, set up the table for a minute, and then I decided to go ahead and do this unboxing before I got in the shower. But y'all, I'm hot. Like, I'm hot. I'm sticky, and I don't like it. But this is the tripod. It opens. This tightens. It has a screw where it tightens. Well, that's very loose, so. And then it tightens up where you can't move it. And then I don't really know how to work all of these things, guys. Maybe I should have. It has these 4 little nugs here. Oh, okay. So that's how you extend it with these 4 little nugs. And when it's extended to where you want it, you snap it and it doesn't go down. See, I didn't snap these 3, but I did this one. So that's the stand. Let's go ahead and open this. Y'all, I'm really hot. Like, I'm low-key thinking that the heat is still on, but it doesn't sound like it. Ooh. So this seems to be the ring light part. Okay, so it comes with this card thing here. Has the different, oh, that's not the front, this is the front. It's the user manual. It has different light settings. Excuse me, it has a USB cord. Excuse me. So I don't necessarily have to have my light connected to the tripod. I can connect it to my computer or anything else, as long as it has a USB cord. And then it gives you the instructions on how to do the tripod. It's pretty cool, pretty neat, y'all. Oh, and you can stand it up, or you can hold it as a selfie stick. So that's pretty cool. This is what the light looks like. And oh, this is the thing that has the buttons on it. Hold on. Has the buttons on it. It has the power button. It's a minus sign. Like 2 arrows in a circle. I'm thinking that's the change of color light. Let me see. Yeah. So that circle one switches the color of the light. So it does like white, orange, I think. Not orange, but like a neutral tone. I'll show y'all. Anyway, and then it has a positive sign. So it dims the light with the negative side, and the positive side makes it brighter. Why was I holding my arm like that, y'all? I'm weird. Anyway, that's the ring light portion. And then we're gonna open, nice little bag. Then we're gonna open a smaller box. Okay, and it has a remote. Well, I'll show you what it looks like in the box. And then it has a remote. This is the part where you would clip your phone in. So I have to attach this to the tripod, and this too. I don't even know what this goes to. Yeah. So that is my unboxing. I'm going to put it together. Let's see here. Let me see if it's a way I can put this together and y'all can see it. So let's take that snap off. Let's snap all these, because what we're going to do is go ahead and get this top portion taken care of so we can. Okay, so this little thing, y'all, I really dislike reading instructions, and they have pictures and everything, and I still don't do it. Let's see. Open tripod stand, attach the ring to tripod head. Okay, so what is this? I'm taking parts out that ain't even supposed to be taken out. This is the thing to make it tight for the tripod, but I was looking at it completely wrong, y'all. Oh, so this little twist here controls the tightness of this so it doesn't flop around. So let's tighten that back up. No floppy. And then the top of the tripod has this, as y'all see, sticking out, and it's a hole in the bottom of here. So we just gonna go ahead and screw that in. And we can tighten it up, y'all. There we go. So that's that part. And then step 2 is to put the ring light to the right, choosing a suitable position. Step 3, lock in. But that's not even okay. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pull this one up, the top one. What is this? There we go. Get that taken care of. We don't need no floppy around here. So let's y'all, I don't know what this piece go to, and I don't see it on this thing. Push on there. I don't know what this go to. What does it do? Oh, it's another one. So they send you 2. That's cool. Cool. So I'm just gonna put that back in the box so I know where it is. This has a, so when you take it out the, let's put it back how it was. Okay, when you take it out, is latched. You pull this part up, then you pull this part up. It's like a little wire thing. So here you go. You can see it right there. And we just gonna open this up. Well, let's turn this a little bit. There we go. Open this up like that. Slide it up, because I need it as close to my ring light as I can get it right now. Okay. So now that's on. This right here, you tighten it with this. No more loosey-goosey. And it's all set up, y'all. One thing that it does not come with is like an end piece. So you would have to have an extra end piece lying around at the house. Let me double check before I start talking. Nothing in here. No. So there's no end piece. So you'll have to have an extra end piece just laying around at the house to plug it up with. And in my room, I don't currently have an extra end piece, so I have to go find one. But once I go find one, I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. Yeah, then I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. So I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, so this is what it looks like. I'm 5'4", and let's just put it here. I'm 5'4", and y'all see how tall it is to me. So, and this is me standing straight up, so it's pretty tall. I'm gonna go ahead. Oh, this is what it looks like when you plug it up. So it lets you know that you're good to go. Let's go ahead and hit that power button. Y'all already see how bright it got in this thing. Yeah. Anyway, but that's the first one. We're gonna go ahead and dim it a bit. And then we're gonna bring it back up. That's the plus and minus right there. Those are the colors that it changed, y'all. I'm so excited. So if y'all like this video and y'all want more unboxings or more videos from me, period, go ahead and smash that like button. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Turn on your post notifications. Make sure that your bell is lit up. Make sure it's on all, y'all. So whenever I post, you're notified. Like, who wouldn't want to be notified? But like I said, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I greatly appreciate y'all so much. And I'll see y'all later.